Saad Lamjarred is a Moroccan pop singer, songwriter, dancer, record producer and actor. Saad has become one of the most successful singers in the nation. He was born to Bachir Abdou, a Moroccan classical singer, and Nezha Regragui, an actress and comedian. From an early age, Lamjarred had a special interest in playing the piano as well as singing as early as the age of 4. Lamjarred then went on to study at the Conservatory of Music in Rabat, where he studied music, art theory and dance. He would perform many productions wherein he would collaborate with his father. In 2007, placed second on the popular Arabic television show Superstar. Lamjarred moved to the US in 2001 and cites this as one of the main sources of inspiration for his music, crediting the experience for exposing him to Western music and having a defining effect on his style and the type of artist he wanted to identify as. He is a multi-talented personality blessed with an extraordinary voice. Lamjarred leads a very private love life, but there were confirmed rumors that he was once married and divorced around 2015. On June 10, 2020, Lamjarred reached 10 million subscribers on his official YouTube channel and becoming the first Arab African singer to get the diamond button. He became famous in the country through his melodious voice and extraordinary lyrics. Lamjarred was also nominated for the Best Middle East Act at the 2014 MTV Europe Music Awards. He won the Moroccan d'Or in the category of Best Arabic Song for his 2014 song Enti. In July 2019, Lamjarred performed and released a duet with Egyptian actor and fellow singer Mohamed Ramadan titled Ense, which garnered over 100 million views within a month of publication. August 2018 saw Lamjarred incarcerated once more in Saint-Tropez, halting his music career again until December 2018, in which he released another single titled Badak EAH. Within 4 hours of publication, the official music video received over 1 million views on YouTube. The music video for Lamjarred's 2015 hit single LM3LM earned a Guinness World Record achievement after garnering 856 million views on YouTube within 3 months of release. As of February 2021, the video is the most viewed Arabic video on YouTube, garnering 900 million views. In 2007, Lamjarred took part in Superstar, a widely popular Arab talent TV show, and was placed second in season 4 of the series that was won by the Tunisian Marwan Ali. In 2011, Lamjarred started his acting career, playing the main lead in Alam Nasim, a Moroccan soap opera. He released an album in 2013 titled Wala Alig. That same year, he released 2 more episodes, namely Selena and Enti. The title song of the latter, Enti, became one of Lamjarred's biggest hits and earned him an award at the Medital Morocco Music Awards 2014, as well as a nomination for the Best Middle East Act at the 2014 MTV Europe Music Awards.